अच्छा आप लोगों ने नीचे से किया था अब आप
What is your favorite food and why?
My favorite food is called roast. It's a roast like mutton. It's my favorite. Make me healthy.
आगे आप ऐसे लगा रहे हैं मुख्तलिफ वर्ड्स के साथ मटन्स ये मीरा की इंग्लिश बनने की गूगल्स यूट्यूब्स एंड ऑल दैट ऐसे हाँ थोड़ा अवॉइड करें मटन के साथ ऐसे नहीं लगता मटन मटन ही होता है
Funny moment of your life.
Yeah, पूरा क्वेश्चन now what is the funny moment or what is the funniest moment of your life I don't remember
Remember this moment.
Yeah.
My life.
This moment is the funniest moment the way you are asking me questions yeah, that's the funniest active हो ना थोड़ा दिमाग को active करें yes
What is your hobby which fascinates you for your goal? My hobby is to reading books.
To read books.
Read books. And my father is my motivational. He makes me motivation.
he motivates
He
me
motivates me.
What is your biggest fear?
My biggest fear is that when I cannot achieve my father's goals, which
he has set for me
which he set for me. This is the
biggest fear
biggest fear.
okay thank you very much good job keep it up आप लोग confidence के साथ